Alright, we're going to be doing a Toyota Prius install right now. First thing you want to do is take off any watches or jewelry that could damage the inside of the car. Then you want to remove the center console plastics around the shifter knob. Be careful not to scratch the shifter, you should probably put tape around it beforehand. Then disconnect the wire harnesses connected to the rear of it. Now carefully pull up the rest of the center console plastics. Now you're going to need to remove the plastic trim around the radio. Remove the wire harness connected to that. Now you want to remove the ignition button. Do not disconnect it from the car though. Now you're going to remove all 4 bolts holding in the radio. Once you've done that, cover the bottom part of the radio with a piece of tape to protect it when pulling out the main radio. Then disconnect all the wire harnesses behind the radio. Bring the stock radio over to the bench and remove the mounting brackets on the sides. Once the brackets are removed, then put them on the new Rosen unit and secure them with the same screws you removed from the original radio. Now run your GPS antenna to the outside of the car. Be sure that it has a clear view of the sky so that it works properly. These are a few suggested areas to place it. Now connect the Rosen adapter harnesses to the car's OEM wire harnesses. Don't forget to connect the safety brake wire to the car's e-brake wire indicator. Now connect the unit and connect any optional harnesses you may have. Then put the radio into the dash and secure with the screws used to secure the original radio. Put the ignition button back into place and then put the radio trim back around the radio. Remember to connect the harness that was connected to it originally. Now put the center console back together. Put the plastics back around the shifter and connect both wire harnesses. After it is complete, make sure that you have tested the radio thoroughly and that it works properly before returning to the customer.